Local trains leaves from a station at an interval of 15 minutes at a speed of 16 kilometers per hour. A man moving from opposite side meets the train at an interval of 12 minutes. Find the speed of the man. Okay, so in order to understand this question, you have to imagine a scenario here. Okay, so let's say this is your home. Okay, this is your home, this is you, and at some distance there is a railway station, right? This is a railway station, and there is a railway track in front of you, front of your house, and a train is moving. Train is leaving the station after every 15 minutes, right? Local trains leave the station at an interval of 15 minutes. So this is your home, this is you. You are just standing here, right? You are not moving anywhere. You are just standing here, and there is this railway track in front of your house, and this is the railway station at a distance d, and a train is leaving every 15 minutes from this railway station. So if you are standing here, and let's say you observe a train at 10 a.m. right? Then after 15 minutes you'll again observe another train at 10:15. Then you'll see that there is another train at 10:30. Then you will see another train at 10:45, right? Like this will keep on happening, right? Now for you, the train is traveling this distance d in time t, right? T, which is 15 minutes, because the train is coming at your home every 15 minutes. So for you, train is traveling this distance at every 15 minutes with some speed. Speed is given to us, right? Speed of the train is 16 kilometers per hour. So speed here is 16 kilometers per hour, right? So this is first scenario. Now what happens is, again, this is your house, this is your house, this is you. At some distance there is a railway station, there is a railway track in front of your house, all right, and a train is leaving the station every 15 minutes, right? But now what happens is, earlier you were just standing in front of your house, but now you start moving towards the station, right? You start moving towards in the opposite direction of the train, right? And you have to cover this distance d. Now what happens is, now you observe that you are moving and the train has also started the moving. Now you observe a train at 10, right? Then again you are moving in the same direction as the railway station, right? Again you observe another train at the interval of 12 minutes, right? Then again you are observing it at 10:24, right? This keeps on happening, right? Why is this happening? Because you are also moving towards the railway station, because this distance d is covered by you and this train, right? Because some of the distance is covered by you and some of the distance is covered by this train. So that's why you are seeing this train at an interval of just 12 minutes. So that means relative speed here will be speed of whenever, okay, so understand, whenever two objects are moving in the opposite direction or when they are approaching towards each other, we add the speeds of both the objects in order to get our relative speed. So now in the question as well, we are asked to find the speed of the man. So let's assume that the speed of the man is x kilometers per hour, right? So your relative speed will be the addition of both the speeds, which is x plus speed of the train is 16. So this is our relative speed, and both of you, you and this train, have to cover this total distance. So we have distance d, and time here is, now you are seeing the train in every 12 minutes. So for you, the train has covered this distance in 12 minutes, and you are also covering this distance. So that means the time here will be 12 minutes. So this much is clear. Now let's use the formula which says d is equals to speed into time. So for first case, speed here is 16, time here is 15. So let's just leave it like this, and let's use the formula speed into time here as well. So we get speed, which is x plus 16 into time, which is 12. Now distance is constant in both the cases, right? So that means this and this is equal, so we can equate the right hand sides of both the equations. So let's do that. 16 into 15 is equals to x plus 16 into 12. So 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3 5s are, so we get x plus 16 is equals to 5 4s are 20. So x is equals to 20 minus 16, which is 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this is the speed, and this is the speed of the man, and that is what we are asked in the question. Find out the speed of the man, which is 4 kilometers per hour. So here option A is the correct one.